First, go to canva.com and click Create. Choose Custom Size. Switch the units to inches and set the width to 11.69 and the height to 8.27. Then click Create New Design. Next, we'll add a shape. Go to Elements. Choose the square shape, then open the Position menu. Adjust the width and height to 2.13 by 3.4 and press Enter. Now it's time to add the frame. Go back to Elements, scroll to the Frames section and select the square frame. Again, open Position and change its size to 1.8 by 2.5. Press Enter. Let's style the shape. Click the Shape layer, open the Color menu, and choose White. Then click Stroke Style, select a border, and set it to 1. Position the frame on top of the shape so it looks like a Polaroid. Once it's aligned, we'll duplicate the design. Select both layers. Right-click, choose Duplicate. Position the copies in a row. Repeat the duplication process until you fill the page. To speed things up, you can select multiple frames at once. Right-click, duplicate, and arrange them neatly. Now let's add photos. Go to Uploads, click Upload Files, and select the images you want to use. After they finish uploading, simply drag each photo into a frame. When all your photos are placed, click Share, choose Download, and click Download again. Your Polaroid sheet will save to your device. You can print it out or use it however you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and easy guides. Thanks for watching.